Thutha wa Raila Odinga kũhotwo gĩthurano-inĩ kĩa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanjũ ya mabũrũri ma ũrũmwe wa gĩtarũ kĩa Africa AUC ũtukũ wa ira, rĩu mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nĩ akuithĩtie President William Ruto mũrigo wa kũhotwo kũu, akiuga nĩwe gĩtũmi kĩa Raila kwaga kura cia kũigana kuma kũrĩ mapresident na mabũrũri mangĩ ma Afrika.
Jambo hili tusifurahie, liko na aibu, limeleta aibu kwa sura ya nchi ya Kenya. And I place the blame squarely on Raila, on Mheshimiwa William Samoei Arap Ruto, who was a chief campaigner.
Kalonzo ugĩte President Ruto akoretwo akĩingĩrĩra mabũrũri matiganĩte ma gĩtarũ gĩkĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩkorwo ũrakarĩtie mapresident ngũrani.
Tunajua kuna mambo ambao Ruto angefanya Raila akuwe elected chairman, lakini alikataa kufanya. Walienda pale DRC wakaenda kuombanisha watu bure. Yani, how do you go to fight with voters 2 weeks into an election?
Nĩ athiĩte na mbere kuuga na mũingĩ wa bũrũri nĩ ũranyitire itemi kũgwĩ kwa Odinga kũgerera nenda cia ũkinyanĩria kũrĩa maroragia mapresident matigathure Odinga, nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte nĩ akunyanĩire mĩrũrũngano ya mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa mareganaga na watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka mũhĩtũku.
Nasema huyu ni yule rais aliua watoto, ndiye amepresent candidate hapa. These young Kenyans have ability to lobby anybody anywhere, and they lobbied heads of state. Kwa hivyo wanasema nchi ambayo inaua watoto, nchi ambayo inafanya abductions.
Kalonzo ũrĩa ũkwaragia harĩ kanitha-inĩ wa Full Gospel Mwingi nĩ athiĩte na mbere kuuga kũhotwo kwa Odinga nĩ gũthũkĩirie bũrũri rĩtwa.
Raila was not Raila. He was a candidate of a country called the Republic of Kenya. Sasa watu wanaangalia ile bendera ya Kenya inabebwa pale, ni the same bendera watoto walikuwa wanabeba na chupa ya maji na simu kufanya valid demonstrations na wakauawa.
Baadaye
mĩario ya Kalonzo nĩ nyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ Senator wa Kitui Enoch Wambua na abunge Makali Mulu na Gideon Muriungi na mũthathaũri wa maũndũ ma gĩũteti Tony Gachoka.
Wewe unataka kukuwa chairman, mtu yako akuwe chairman ya AU, na wewe unaua watoto wa shule wakifanya demonstration.
This is a demonstration of humility. Your Excellency, when you become the president and you're going to become 2027, please be humble.
They have just energized the Gen Z. They have energized the anti-Ruto, anti-Raila group. And without any doubt, the signs of the general election are very clear that Raila Odinga and William Ruto are going home. Nataka kusema kinaga ubaga ya kwamba yale maneno yametokea Addis Ababa ni ya kuvutia moyo sana. Juu yanaonesha ya kwamba uhusiano wa kisiasa wa Raila Odinga na William Ruto hautalete matokeo mazuri mwaka wa 2027 kwa sababu wameonekana wakishikana, hawana nguvu.
Raila arahotirwo nĩ Mohamed Yusuf wa Djibouti thutha wake kwĩyeheria gĩthurano-inĩ gĩkĩ itĩna-inĩ rĩa gatandatũ.
Raila nguvu zake zile alikuwa nazo mbele ya kwenda Addis Ababa zimepungua, na ni kama gari kutoa pumzi. Lazima sasa mguu ibadilike, utoe ile mguu dogo, utoe ile kubwa, paka hii ingine iwekwe kiraka.